Hello everyone. Today in my video I will explain aggregate functions in SQL. What are aggregate functions? Aggregate functions provide summarization information for SQL statements which will return a single value. Whenever we execute aggregate function, it always returns a single value. There are 5 types of aggregate functions: max, mean, avg, sum and count. Max returns maximum value among the values. Mean returns minimum value. avg returns average of the all values. Sum returns the sum or addition of the values. And count gives how many records are there for a particular attribute. So these are 5 aggregate functions. Here I will explain these aggregate functions through practical implementation in SQL, in MySQL. Already I have created university database. I will use that university database. Database change. I have created instructor table. I will show you the records of instructor table. So this is my table, instructor table, which has 4 attributes: ID, name, salary, DEPT name. When we execute aggregate functions, we have to execute that functions on the attribute which has integer data type. So here I will show you how to execute mean, max, sum, avg and count on salary attribute. I will execute select mean into bracket salary from instructor table. Instructor. So it gives minimum value among all the salaries. Guys, here you can see 50,000 is the minimum value among all the salaries. So it displays minimum. If we want to rename mean salary, then I will execute the same query and here I will use as keyword, which gives temporary rename. It will temporarily rename mean salary as mean sal. So here you can see it displays mean sal with minimum value. Likewise, I can execute maximum salary function also, max. Max is nothing but maximum value, maximum salary among all the salaries that are present in instructor table. So here I have used mean sal only. Instead of that, here I will say max. Select max salary as max sal from instructor. So it gives 90,000 value. So here you can see 90,000 is my maximum value. Likewise, I can execute average also. avj is my function, aggregate function, which is used for finding out the average of the salary. And here I will write avj. Select avj salary as avj sal from instructor. So here we can see average of the all salaries is displayed. My next function is sum. I will execute the same query. Instead of avj, I will write sum. Sum of salary as sum sal. So it gives exact one value which will add all the salaries and will display a single value. As I explained earlier, aggregate functions it returns a single value. All functions return a single value. My last aggregate function is count. Select count into bracket salary from instructor. So it gives the how many records are present. It gives a count. So here you can see how many records are there. 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 records are there. So I can execute select count salary from instructor. Instead of count salary, here I can use star also. Star gives number of records that are present in the table. So these are 5 aggregate functions which I have explained in my video. minimum value, maximum value. It gives minimum value, maximum value, average, then sum and count. 5 aggregate functions. I hope you all have understood aggregate functions in SQL and how to execute these functions in SQL. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel, those who haven't subscribed it. Thank you so much.